Loosen the air cleaner cover retaining knobs, and remove the air cleaner cover. Remove and discard the old air cleaner element. Remove debris from the air cleaner housing. Install the new air cleaner element, with the pleated side facing out. Make sure the rubber seal is seated onto the edges of the air cleaner base. Remove and discard the old foam pre-cleaner element from the air cleaner cover. Saturate the new pre-cleaner element with clean engine oil. Massage oil thoroughly into the element. Squeeze out all excess oil. The pre-cleaner should be oily to the touch, but not dripping oil. Install the new pre-cleaner element into the air cleaner cover, aligning the hole with the upper mounting knob. Reinstall and secure the air cleaner cover.